Today I just wanted to show you how I'm making money using booms and crash using this amazing formula. It's actually a strategy that I built from scratch. You can see it works in every instrument, even in forex, also in crypto, and also in so many instruments, all instruments, stocks, and here in synthetics, in crash, booms, and steps. Now you can see that the downtrend started from here. This is where the convergence was, and the uptrend automatically started from here up to where we are here. We are all still in an uptrend, so you can see that. But if you look at the day interval according to my formula or my strategy, you can see we have a convergence down here, so it's an automatic uptrend up to here. So we anticipate that the market price will move that way upwards for probably a couple of days to come, for probably a full week. So that's why we're not willing to close this trend anytime soon. So you can see the trend is actually moving in profits consistently, no going back. Even if it goes back a little bit, we just have a small drawdown, then go back up, and we don't have intentions of closing it. We're just going to leave it there moving probably for the next week. Then by next week I'll come here and show you where we will be, probably by, you see, we bought with $1. By next week on probably Friday, we would be making about $500 to $1,000 in this same trend. So this strategy is perfect. It's tested. It's passed everything that is needed for any strategy to move. Actually, we came in a little bit late because we were supposed to enter at that point. So I'll be explaining how this strategy works in a couple of a few hours, because it's the main video that I'm going to do for you today. I will give you a new strategy apart from the one that I gave you last time. I gave you a free script, and very many people are using that script in binary, in so many things to make profits in forex. And in addition, I'm now adding another script, and hopefully this is actually meant to help so much people on MT4 and MT5, any instrument, name it. This script does not discriminate whether you're doing booms or crash, whether you're doing volatility indices. For example, you come here to the volatilities, it will be predicting the same thing. So look at volatility right now. We are in let me see, 1 hour. We are in a good downtrend, though we came in late, a little bit late. We should have entered this downtrend at this point here. So right now we would be in a lot of profits. So you can so if you look at 1 day, we are now starting a good concrete downtrend in 1 day. You can as well enter that downtrend, no worries, and let it be there. You see, 1 day moves a lot, it moves over time. So by the end of probably in 3, 4, 5 days, it will be moving continuously in that direction, a downtrend direction for volatility 10 inches. So we hope that this trend here would be in a couple of dollars of profits. I think you can see the thing is trying to recede, but it will be having supports. Now you can see finally they will all be in profits. No worries. This trend or this strategy does not make a mistake. So whatever we're gonna do is to make sure that we continue continuously making profits. This must come down from here. We just came in a little bit late, but it's still on the right time. It must come down to about this point here. You can put your TP at about this point here. It will be reaching this point in probably 2 days, 65.92. So you can bring this TP of ours, modify to 65.92. Yep, modify. So we hope that it will be coming to that point by hook or crook according to our formula. This is the minimum it can come to, but it can even, pass this point, but that's the minimum we can take. Always take profits. So I think we are done here. I will be coming up in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, and don't leave without subscribing. Subscribe to the channel such that you get the notification when I upload that new video, where we'll be talking into details of this strategy and how it works. So ensure you subscribe. You can like the video if you want, but for us, we are here to make money. No worries, we don't want to listen to anyone. I encourage you to test this formula on your demo account, then till you gain confidence and transition to your real accounts. No worries, no hard feelings. Don't force it, test it and gain confidence with it. I think you can see what I've been telling you. These guys are going to be entering profits and keeping profits for almost a next week to come. A full week, these two trends will be in profits. I'll be bringing them up here and showing them to you as time moves on. Don't worry, you can see it has already started moving. So this strategy is actually probably the best so far in the market, and I don't think you would want to miss it. You can also add the booms, the steps, and this is for synthetics, but you can also try it on all the other instruments like forex and crypto and stocks, and you will really appreciate that this formula is 1 in a million. Look at what it does with booms. This was a really good uptrend at this point here, where we are here. They crossed. We waited for this guy to meet, probably down here. It reached 15, so this was our first entry point at this point here. So it moved up to that point. Those were old profits, and it is still moving. This boom 300 is still in an uptrend. Let me see boom 1000. Most people like boom 1000 and boom 500. 1 hour, it's gonna be entering in some supports, but still in moving on. We can check in 4 hour and you see how good it's gonna be. Okay, still loading. You can see still moving in profits systematically. No worries, you don't have to worry. We have to stay in profits until we feel like this is enough. Okay, I'll pause the video right now and I'll